What's up mga boss? Good morning mga boss. Andito tayo ngayon sa Shinjuku sa Alpen, Tokyo. Sikat na sneaker shop nila dito sa Japan at mag-check tayo mga sneakers nila. And check natin magkano ang mga price. Alpen, Tokyo is a popular tourist destination and is a popular store among foreign visitors to Japan. Located siya 1-minute walk from the east exit of Tokyo Shinjuku Station. Ito yung colorways of Li-Ning, Jimmy Butler shoes, the Angelo Russell Way of Wade for only 18,000 yen or equivalent to 6,900 pesos. At ito naman yung colorways ng Jordan Tatum 4. Ito yung Smooth Sole Volume 2. First ring, Bruce Lee. Yung price niya is 16,000 yen or equivalent to 6,000 pesos lang mga boss. At ito naman yung top edition nila. Syempre Kobe is only 24,500 yen or equivalent to 9,400 pesos lang. Tsaka yung Lebron 27,000 yen or equivalent to 10,400 yen. Alright. Ito naman yung colorways of Sabrina 3. The price is 14,300 yen or equivalent to 5,500 pesos only. Ito naman yung colorways ng mga sapatos ni Ant-Man or Anthony Edwards. 13,000 yen lang siya or equivalent to 5,000 pesos only. At ito naman yung colorways sapatos ni Stephen Curry, Curry 13. The price is 20,900 yen or equivalent to 8,000 pesos only. At ito naman yung mga colorways ng sapatos ni Ja Morant 3. Ang price niya is 15,500 yen or equivalent to 5,900 pesos only.